It's important to let your readers know upfront why you're writing. It's best to do so in a descriptive subject heading or document title, as well as in the first paragraph of your document's introduction. If your readers have to read the first paragraph a second time to work out why you're writing the document, they may lose interest and you have failed in one of the most important elements of effective writing. To find your document's purpose, you need to first know what your document theme is. Generally speaking, there are 4 main themes a document can have. The theme can be to direct or instruct the reader to do something. A procedure is an example where the theme is to direct or instruct. Policies, procedures, guidelines, processes, and specifications are also used to direct or instruct. It can be to request something like information or action. For example, an email requesting agenda items for a meeting. It can be to persuade. Types of persuasive documents could be recommendation reports, business cases, or even sales proposals. Or the document's theme can be to inform the reader or readers about something. Other ways to word this theme could be to report, respond, update, present, explain, communicate, define, clarify, advise, explore, or even complain about something.